Meaning of estimation.
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 Estimation. Estimation refers to the process of approximating or calculating a value or quantity based on available information. It involves making an educated guess or prediction about a specific outcome using limited data or incomplete information. The result of estimation is usually a calculated approximation that may not be entirely accurate but provides a reasonable estimate of the expected outcome. It is an essential tool in various domains, such as business, economics, engineering, science, and statistics, where the ability to estimate values and make predictions is critical for decision-making.